Zombie apocalypse.
Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm gonna unbox and show you guys MSI's B450 Tomahawk Max 2 gaming motherboard. So guys, this is a B450 chipset motherboard and it supports Ryzen 3000 series out of the box, so we don't need to update the BIOS. And around the box and backside the box you get to see a logo or a kind of a picture of the motherboard and few specifications like RGB synchronization and few technical details and the ports which are available on the motherboard. And here it says which type of port we get on the motherboard and few more things. And here it says same thing which is on the top, and here are few things written in different languages like most popular languages in the world. So here's the bill. I ordered it from Amazon for around 11,030 rupees including GST. So let's cut open through this motherboard box and see what we get inside the box. So on the top we get to see this motherboard in an anti-static plastic bag, so no electron charges go around through the motherboard and damage the motherboard. And on the bottom side of the box we get to see a few things, like we get to see a few setup cables for data transfer or for storage devices. We get to see the IO shield which goes inside the cabinet with MSI logo on it. We get to see few screws for NVMe SSD if we insert that in it. We get to see a QR code and picture of the things which MSI personally sell. And here is the user manual and quick installation guide as well. So guys, I would personally recommend that if you are building your own PC for the first time, please read this out because this will help you a lot in building your PC. So here is a driver DVD or a CD. So it's good, but we are obviously going to download the drivers from the online website, and it says a thank you card. Here you get to see a MSI logo sticker which you can stick on the tempered glass panel of your CPU, and here is a user manual. So guys, as I said earlier that go through this user manual and the quick installation guide as well to get a complete detail about the motherboard and the different parts which you are going to install on your PC. So now I'll just remove this motherboard from this anti-static bag and let's see how this motherboard feels in our hands. So guys, the first impression and after holding this motherboard, it feels really premium. So here is the AM4 socket which supports Ryzen's 1000, 2000 and 3000 series CPUs. And here are DDR4 RAM slots which can support up to 128GB of RAM. And here is the PCIe slot for the graphics card. You get two slots, so you can either NVLink your graphics card or build an SLI bridge, or you can insert a graphics card in the top, and in the bottom one you can place a capture card or Elgato, anything like that. So here you get to see a MSI logo and Tomahawk Max logo here. So guys, now let's talk about the ports which we get on this motherboard. So we get to see a PS by 2 combo port, we get to see two USB 2.0 ports, we get to see a DVI-D port, then few more USB ports, then a HDMI cable, a LAN port, USB Type-C cable, and then few audio input and output ports as well. So guys, now let's take a look at onboard ports which we get on this motherboard, starting from CPU header to RGB header, CPU fan header here, then you get to see more fan headers, then you get to see a 24-pin connector with this motherboard, then here is the NVMe slot to insert an NVMe drive if you want, and if you have an NVMe drive, then here are the PCI slots to insert the graphics card, capture card. On the bottom you will get to see USB headers and audio headers, SATA power headers, USB 3 headers, everything. Here are other 4 SATA power headers to connect the SATA SSD or any hard drive with your motherboard. So guys, this was pretty much it for this unboxing video. I'll see you in the next video. Up till then, take care guys.